Good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna be doing like a whole day of what I eat while I'm on keto. And one of the biggest questions I get is, what exactly do you eat? What do you not eat while you're on keto? And so I figured I'd just take you through the whole day, show you all the meals and any snacks that I have, anything like that, and just so it can help anybody get started. So always, I mean, like my last video, always, I start off with my white chocolate mocha bulletproof coffee. It's like life. It's breakfast in a cup. So that's what we're gonna make today. All right, so I have my cup. Just putting regular coffee in. And we're gonna do 10 ounces because Mama needs some extra coffee. And then we have, like I said, there's a whole video on this, just on this, but I have my grass-fed Irish butter Kerrygold, do a tablespoon of that, and then I have my coconut oil, tablespoon of that, and of course the most wonderful thing in the world, sugar-free white chocolate syrup, 3 tablespoons of that, heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons, and then just because I need a little extra something, 1 tablespoon of the unsweetened Hershey's cocoa. Alright, so coffee is all ready, so we're going to get our butter so we can let it melt a little bit. Oh, that coffee pot is noisy this morning. Alright, 1 tablespoon of butter. Let that melt. Then I grab the coconut oil so that it can melt a little bit too. Alright. I'll put that in there. Coconut oil thankfully melts super quick. And then we're gonna do, like I said, 3 tablespoons of the white chocolate sugar-free mocha. Now, just like I said in the other video, you can, if you like more coffee taste, you can do 2 tablespoons. Sometimes I like to, if I get the sugar-free salted caramel, I like to do sugar-free salted caramel white chocolate mocha. Like, get fancy. But it's whatever you like. That's the thing that you're gonna have to play with and figure out, but don't feel bad for having it sweet. All right, and then 3 tablespoons of the heavy whipping cream. I love when breakfast is this quick and this simple. Like, I just don't have the patience for huge breakfasts. Days off or something, I'll cook it for my family, but for me, just don't have the patience. Just gotta keep on going. All right, and then 1 tablespoon of the unsweetened cocoa. You can leave that out, like if you're fasting or something, you can leave that out because then you'll have 0 carbs in this. But I like to have a little bit extra. Then I'm gonna take my KitchenAid immersion blender, just put it down in, blend that up. When you're using this, definitely put it on the lowest setting on 1 and use a deep cup because it comes to the edge. Alright, there we go. We're going to take that off. Like I said, I'm always extra, so I like my little bit of whipped cream, which is perfectly fine. You can do it or not do it. You do you, boo. Alright, and there is breakfast. All done. Easy breezy. Alright, well I'm going to go grab a quick shower and then I'll grab you guys for when I'm packing my lunch. Morning. Alright, so we're here at work and we're going to do lunch. So I just brought my leftover chicken from last night. It's the chicken thighs with bone in and the skin on, and that just helps to continue to get all the fat. Plus, let's face it, it tastes better. So that's all I'm having. Basic. Oh, and I usually use a little bit of ranch for a dip because it's got lower carbs and the higher fats. So that's all easy breezy. See you guys at dinner. Alright, so dinner tonight is Angus cheeseburgers that my wonderful husband cooked on the Traeger, and they're absolutely amazing. And then I just have one slice of cheese on them, and then cooked up some bacon too. My husband eats it with the bun, and I just have it without the bun. That way there's no carbs. Alright, so there it is already. And again, dip it in some ranch because keto life. Alright guys, so that is the whole day of what I eat on keto with Xavier. And it came out to where I was actually over a little bit on my proteins because of all the meat. Hold on, Eva. Yeah, hold on just a second. I was a little bit over on my proteins, but overall hit it and kept my carbs under and feeling good. And just remember always to listen to your body. I had the 2 patties, but ended up only eating 1.5 because, you know, that was just where I was full at, and you don't want to stuff yourself. So, yeah, huh? Except for you. So, anyway, if you have any questions, drop them down below, and until next time, see you guys later. Bye. Yeah.